Now we'll start with the seventh question. Consider the following statement regarding the radicals during British rule in India. They advocated the introduction of the modern Western science, philosophy, and literature. Raja Ram Mohan Rai and other like-minded reforms oppose the radical school of thought. ठीक है, तो देखो इसमें पहला स्टेटमेंट तो सही है. रेडिकल्स जो थे वो मॉडर्न वेस्टर्न साइंस, फिलोसफी और लिटरेचर को इंट्रोड्यूस करते थे. राजा राम मोहन राय जो है वो फेवर थे, इन द फेवर ऑफ रेडिकल स्कूल ऑफ थॉट. ठीक है, देखो इंट्रोडक्शन फिलोसफी है ना. और फिर सेकेंड क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. मोस्ट ऑफ अशोका इंस्क्रिप्शन वर इन पाली लैंग्वेज रिटन इन ब्राह्मी स्क्रिप्ट. दिस इज रॉन्ग because the inscriptions were written in the Prakrit language in the Brahmi script. Arika Medu is a coastal settlement known for being site for unloading the goods from the distant lands. This is the right statement. फिर next question. The foreigner serving as president of Congress session. A.O. Hume. Never. वो एक presidential, एक influential personality थे but was never the president. George Ule was the president of INC in Allahabad and Henry Cotton was the president of INC in Bombay. Cotton, Bombay, Yule, Allahabad. तो देखो क्या है नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. For the improvement of the educational system in the British India, Ripon appointed a commission in 1882 under the chairmanship of the Sir William Hunter. ठीक है, consider following statement about the recommendation. ठीक है, the commission recommended for the expansion improvement of the elementary education of the masses. ठीक है, the commission noted the poor status of the women education, encouraged the local bodies in the village and town to manage the elementary education. दोनों ही सही हैं, both are correct statements. Like Lord William Bentinck, Lord Ripon was also the champion of education. Ripon wanted to review the working of educational system on the basis of recommendation of the Wood's Dispatch. For the further improvement of the system, Ripon appointed a commission in 1882 under chairmanship of Sir William Hunter, known as Hunter Commission, recommended the expansion and improvement of the elementary education of the masses. Suggested two channels for the secondary education. One was literary education leading up to the entrance examination of the university and the other preparing the students for a vocational career. The commission noted the poor status of the women education. It encouraged the local bodies in the villages and the towns to manage the elementary education. This had resulted in the extraordinary rise in the number. Fair. Next question. The Dutch East India Company was formed before the French East India Company. The Dutch East India Company was the first company in the world to issue the bonds and share of the stock to general public. Both are right. डच ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी सबसे पहले बनी थी. ठीक है, एंड फ्रेंच ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी वॉज अ कॉलोनियल कमर्शियल एंटरप्राइज जो कि बाद में बनी थी. डच ईस्ट कंपनी पहली कंपनी थी टू इशू द बॉन्ड्स एंड शेयर ऑफ द स्टॉक टू जनरल पब्लिक. ठीक है, इन्वेस्टिंग एंड फुल फ्लैश कैपिटल मार्केट ये सब डच का मैटर था. Consider following a statement regarding the Battle of the Plassey. Battle of Plassey was essential due to opposition of the local people of the Bengal to the activities of East India Company, resulted in the victory of the East India Company and consolidation of its presence in Bengal, and resulted in the East India Company gaining greater military right, which allowed them to push other European colonial powers away from Bengal. इसमें करेक्ट क्या है, 2 और 3. पहला वाला गलत है. ठीक है, बैटल ऑफ प्लासी जो था इट वॉज इंसेंशली ड्यू टू कॉन्फ्लिक्ट बिटवीन द बंगाल नवाब एंड ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी. ठीक है, and they used the revenue to increase the military, push the European colonial powers such as the Dutch and the French out of South Asia, thus expanding the British Empire. Which of the following pairs is correctly matched? बैटल ऑफ खारदा जो कि निज़ाम वर्सेस मराठा कॉन्फिडरेसी में था. फिर बैटल ऑफ खारदा निज़ाम और मराठा कॉन्फिडरेसी में था. बैटल ऑफ वांडीवॉश बिटवीन द इंडिया एंड द फ्रेंच, between the French and the British. It was a part of the Third Carnatic War. The Battle of Buxar, it was led by the Hector Munro. ठीक है ना. Battle of Buxar was between the East India Company and Mir Qasim. ठीक है, of a battle of Chilianwala. ठीक है, during the second Anglo-Sikh war in the Chilianwala region of the Punjab, now the part of modern day Pakistan. The next question. Consider the following statement regarding the Treaty of Allahabad. It was associated with the Battle of Plassey. The rights given by this treaty allowed the East India Company to collect the revenue directly from the people in the certain provinces. Correct क्या है इसमें? Second, the rights given by this treaty allowed the East India Company to collect. एंड ट्रीटी ऑफ अलाहाबाद जो है वो बैटल ऑफ बुक्सर से हुई थी. एंड इसी के उसमें आलम ने ग्रांट किया था ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी को दीवानी राइट्स टू कलेक्ट ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ एम्परर फ्रॉम ईस्ट प्रोविंसेस ऑफ बंगाल, बिहार, उड़ीसा. And that is how they became the tax collector of the eastern province. These rights allowed the company to collect the revenue directly from the people of Bengal, Bihar, Odisha, और जिसके बदले में एनुअल ट्रिब्यूट मिलता था टू द एम्परर. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग फैक्टर्स इन्फ्लुएंस द ग्रोथ ऑफ मॉडर्न नेशनलिज्म ड्यूरिंग ब्रिटिश रूल इन इंडिया? फ्रेंच रेवोल्यूशन, इंडियन रेनेसेंस, स्ट्रॉन्ग रिएक्शन टू ब्रिटिश एम्परर्स पॉलिसीज इन इंडिया. तीनों ही सही हैं. फ्रेंच, इंडियन रेनेसेंस, an offshoot of the modernization initiated by the British in India, and strong reaction to the British imperialist policies in the India. Consider the following statement regarding the Paika rebellion. It was an armed rebellion which is against the British India Company rule in Gujarat, and the rise in the prices of the salt due to the taxes imposed on it was one of the causes of the rebellion. तो इसमें सही स्टेटमेंट है सेकेंड. द राइज इन द प्राइसेस ऑफ द सॉल्ट ड्यू टू द टैक्सेस इम्पोज्ड ऑन इट वाज वन ऑफ द कॉजेज ऑफ द रेबेलियन. It was an armed rebellion against the British East India Company rule in Odisha. The Paika rose in rebellion under their leader Bakshi Jagabandhu and projecting Jagannath as a symbol of Odia unity. The rise in the prices of the salt due to the taxes imposed on it by the new government. They were supported by the zamindar, village head and the ordinary peasant. It is the first war of independence that started in 1817, much before the Sepoy Mutiny of 1857. Which of the following was the reaction of the educated middle class in the revolt of 1857? They remained neutral. ठीक है. The modern educated Indians did not support the revolt. Governor General who followed a spirited forward policy towards Afghanistan was Lytton. ठीक है. And he worked to improve the Indian armament and supervise the government. Much criticized response to the Great Famine of 1876-78 was criticized for his assertive forward policy towards Afghanistan and provoking Second Anglo-Afghan War. Which of the following organizations submitted in 1875 a petition to House of Commons demanding India's direct representation in the British Parliament? The Purna Swarajik Sabha, है ना. It was by M.G. Ranade along with Ganesh Vasudeo and submitted a petition to the House of Commons demanding direct representation of the Indian Parliament. The statement regarding moderates. Moderates popularized the idea of democracy, civil liberties and representative institutions. They succeeded in getting the expansion of the Legislative Council by the Indian Councils Act of 1892. Moderates adopted the peaceful constitutional means, a wide national awakening among the people, popularized the idea of democracy, civil liberties and representative institutions. Moderates like Ranade and Gokhale favored the social reforms. They protested against child marriage and widowhood. Expansion of the Legislative Council by the Indian Council Act of 1892. In the context of Indian freedom struggle, 16th October 1905 is known for partition of Bengal by the Lord Curzon. The Lahore session of the INC important during freedom movement because the Congress passed a resolution demanding complete independence in the Lahore session. लाहौर सेशन में और क्या किया था? राउंड टेबल कॉन्फ्रेंस वॉज टू बी बॉयकॉटेड. द कंप्लीट इंडिपेंडेंस वॉज डिक्लेयर्ड एज द एम ऑफ द कांग्रेस. The Congress Working Committee was authorized to launch a program of civil disobedience, including the non-payment of the tax, and all members of legislatures were asked to resign their seats. 26 January 1930 fixed as the first Independence Swarajya Day to be celebrated everywhere. During the Swadeshi movement, which of the following leader declared that political freedom is the life breath of a nation? Aurobindo Ghosh. And Aurobindo Ghosh was obviously he was an extremist. Consider following statement regarding extremist ideology. They believed that British crown was unworthy of claiming Indian loyalty and demanded Swaraj as a Penica for Indian ills. They rejected the providential mission theory as an illusion. They believed that the British crown was unworthy and demand Swaraj as the Penica for Indian ills. Consider following statement regarding administrative measures adopted by Lord Curzon. Number of Indian members in Calcutta Corporation were reduced. Official Secret Act curbed the freedom of press. Indian Universities Act ensured greater government control over universities. And Lord Curzon ने एक्टिविटीज़ को कैसे डिस्क्राइब किया था? ऑफ द इंटेलिजेंट पीपल एज लेटिंग ऑफ गैस. द ऑफिशियल सिगरेट एक्ट, द इंडियन यूनिवर्सिटी एक्ट एंड कलकत्ता कॉरपोरेशन एक्ट, है ना. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग मूवमेंट वॉज नोन एज द वंदे मातरम मूवमेंट? None of the above. Vande Mataram movement is known as a Swadeshi movement. It was an anti-Bengal partition movement. Viceroy Lord Curzon divided in 1905, 16th October 1905. And Vande Mataram was written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. By the start of the 20th century, the band of nationalist thinkers had emerged who advocated a more militant approach to political work. The basic tenets of the school of thought were: the direct political action required, the personal sacrifice is required, and a true nationalist to be always ready for it, and Swaraj the goal of national movement. By the dawn of the 20th century, a band of nationalist thinkers had emerged who advocated a more militant approach to political work. Included Raja Narayan Bose, Ashwini Kumar Datta, Aurobindo Ghosh, Bipin Chandra Pal in Bengal, Vishnu Shastri Chiplankar, Bal Gangadhar Tilak in महाराष्ट्र, लाला लाजपत राय इन पंजाब. तिलक सबसे ज़्यादा इम्प्रेसिव था. बेसिक टीनेंस क्या था? हेट्रेड फॉर फॉरेन रूल. स्वराज द गोल ऑफ नेशनल मूवमेंट. डायरेक्ट पॉलिटिकल एक्शन रिक्वायर्ड. पर्सनल sacrifices required. As far as the Indian national freedom struggle is concerned, how is the word Swadeshi different from the boycott? देखो, people had adopted the twin program of boycott and Swadeshi. ठीक है, both were used as economic as well as political tools. Boycott referred to boycott of British goods in order to register the protest with the British public against the grave injustice inflicted upon Bengal. And boycott was a seemingly negative program, and Swadeshi as its positive corollary was accepted along with. Swadeshi meant use of encouragement to native products against the foreign good. Thus, boycott Swadeshi movement brought all classes of Indian society, particularly in Bengal, to a common platform for a national cause. During the anti-partition and Swadeshi movement of Bengal, the reaction by some of the leaders like Tilak, Bipin Chandra Pal and Aurobindo Ghosh were that they wanted to go beyond the boycott of the foreign goods to become a full-fledged political mass struggle. ठीक है. They wanted to take outside Bengal to other parts of the country, go beyond a boycott of foreign goods to become a full-fledged political mass struggle with the goal of attaining Swaraj. But the moderates dominating were not willing to go that far. Consider following statement regarding reaction of extremists during Swadeshi movement in Bengal. ठीक है. देखो, extremists gave a call for passive resistance plus Swadeshi boycott. The boycott of government school, college, service, court, legislative council. Goal of independence through self-sacrifice. ठीक है. फिर 31. The partition of Bengal in 1905 brought to an end the moderate role in the British Indian freedom movement. The Surat session of the INC separated the extremists from the moderates. Which of these are correct? Surat separated the extremists and the moderates. The role of moderates continued even after partition of Bengal. ठीक है. Which of the following define extremist ideology during the early phase of the Indian freedom movement? देखो, obtaining the self-government by aggressive means in the place of petition and constitutional ways. They resorted to boycott, strike, and no constitutional methods. Chronological order 3, 4, 1, 2. पार्टीशन ऑफ बंगाल पहले, फिर उसके बाद लखनऊ पैक्ट, फिर रॉलेट एक्ट, फिर इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ डायरची. ठीक है. 3, 4, 1, 2. पार्टीशन ऑफ बंगाल पहले हुआ, फिर उसके बाद लखनऊ पैक्ट, लखनऊ पैक्ट के बाद रॉलेट एक्ट. ठीक है. इट वॉज पास्ड बाय इंपीरियल लेजिस्लेटिव काउंसिल इन दिल्ली. ठीक है. एंड लखनऊ पैक्ट में एग्रीमेंट हुआ था बिटवीन द INC एंड द मुस्लिम लीग. जॉइंट सेशन ऑफ बोथ द पार्टी हेल्ड. ठीक है. Diarchy, the system of double government introduced by Government of India Act 1919 for the province of British India in December 1919. The Lucknow Pact of the 1960 considered an important event for movement because it was the agreement where Congress accepted the demand of the separate electorates for the Muslims by the Muslim League.
कहाँ रख दूँ?
यहाँ
उधर रखूँगी.
इतनी छोटी छोटी बातें मत पूछा करो.
पूछनी पड़ती है ना, डर के मारे. देखा नहीं अब तक क्या होगा.
फिर होम रूल मूवमेंट ऑफ 1916 emphasized on revival of Swadeshi and participation of the Indians in the self-governing institutions for India. 2 home rule leagues were established, one by B.G. Tilak at Pune, other by Mrs. Annie Besant at Madras. Was to get self-government for India within the British Empire. ठीक है. Within the British Empire. एक था आपके पूना में और दूसरा आपके मद्रास में. ठीक है. And the Muslim League also putting their demand for the home rule. While the Tilak movement concentrate on Maharashtra, Annie Besant on the rest of the country. ठीक है. There was a revival of Swadeshi. Women joined large numbers. Consider following statement regarding Third Battle of Panipat. Third Battle of Panipat was fought between Maratha and invading armies of Afghan General Ahmad Shah Abdali. After the battle, the Marathas lost their permanent position in the North India, which ultimately paved the way for the British colonial powers to take over. ये दोनों ही सही हैं. ठीक है. हाँ. फिर consider following statement regarding the Portuguese in India. Portuguese were the last European to come to India and were also the last to leave India. The Portuguese discovery of the sea route to India was the first recorded trip made directly from Europe to India. The Portuguese were quite tolerant towards all the religions in India. देखो, the solution is 2. The Portuguese discovery of the sea route to India was the first trip directly from Europe to India. This is right. बाकी पहले और तीसरे गलत हैं. क्यों? क्योंकि Portuguese were the first Europeans to come to India and they were also the last to leave the land. सबसे पहले आए थे और सबसे बाद में गए थे. अभी रिसेंटली गोवा दमन दीव लिया है बाय द पुलिस फोर्स और एक्शन. Portuguese discovery to India was the first, that is through the Cape of Good Hope in the Atlantic Ocean. under the command of Portuguese explorer Vasco da Gama during the reign of the King Manuel. ठीक है, they used to promote Christianity, है ना, तो they were not very good towards Hindus. Arrange the following early political association in British India in the chronological order of their formation. Select the correct answer code. ठीक है, देखो इसमें ये है 3412, सबसे पहले ब्रिटिश इंडिया एसोसिएशन हुई, ठीक है, फिर बॉम्बे एसोसिएशन हुआ, फिर ईस्ट इंडिया एसोसिएशन हुआ लंदन, ठीक है, और फिर उसके आखिरी में पूर्ण सार्वजनिक सभा, ठीक है। तो पहले आया आपका ब्रिटिश, फिर बॉम्बे, फिर ईस्ट और फिर आखिरी में पूना, ठीक है। फिर देखो पढ़ो ना, देखो जैसे सबसे पहले ब्रिटिश बंगाल में, ब्रिटिश इंडियन एसोसिएशन बंगाल में, उसके बाद मद्रास नेटिव एसोसिएशन, फिर बॉम्बे एसोसिएशन, बॉम्बे एसोसिएशन वाज मेड बाय दादा भाई नरोजी, फिर ईस्ट इंडियन एसोसिएशन लंदन में, फिर पूर्ण सार्वजनिक सभा, फिर आखिरी में मद्रास महाजन सभा, ठीक है। इल्बर्ट इब्बल कंट्रोवर्सी हाई वाटर मार्क इन द हिस्ट्री ऑफ इंडियन नेशनल मूवमेंट रिलेटेड टू इम्प्रूविंग वर्किंग कंडीशन इन फैक्ट्री फॉर इंडियन वर्कर, बैन ऑफ इंडिजिनस पेस्ट एंड मिशनरी एक्टिविटीज बाय द स्टेट, बोथ आर राइट। इसमें यह था कि यूरोपियन कुड बी ट्राइड ओनली बाय यूरोपियन जज, यूरोपियन मैजिस्ट्रेट, तो डिस्क्वालिफिकेशन अनजस्ट था, ठीक है, टू अबॉलिश द डिस्क्रिमिनेशन इन जुडिशरी। CP Ilbert law member introduced bill to abolish discrimination, Europeans opposed. अवेकनिंग ऑफ द इंडिया वॉज द बर्थ ऑफ इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस। अच्छा ये क्या है कि इल्बर्ट बिल कंट्रोवर्सी हेल्प्ड द कॉज ऑफ इंडियन नेशनलिज्म। इमीडिएट रिजल्ट ऑफ दिस अवेकनिंग ऑफ इंडिया वॉज द बर्थ ऑफ द इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस इन 1885, द वेरी नेक्स्ट ईयर ऑफ रिपोन्स डिपार्चर, मतलब इसके बाद फिर INC बनी थी। पार्टीशन ऑफ बंगाल वॉज रिवोक्ड इन 1911 बाय लॉर्ड मिंटो कर्जन, लॉर्ड कर्जन ने किया था, नहीं, कर्जन अनाउंस द पार्टीशन एंड देन कर्जन तो फिर लेफ्ट चले गए थे ब्रिटेन के लिए। द पार्टीशन वॉज फाइनली रिवर्स्ड इन 1911 बाय लॉर्ड हार्डिंज, है ना, रिवर्स किसने किया था, हार्डिंज ने किया था। रॉलेट एक्ट एम्ड एट इम्प्रिजनमेंट विदाउट ट्रायल फॉर पॉलिटिकल एक्टिविस्ट, है ना। व्हाट वाज द रीज़न फॉर महात्मा गांधी टू ऑर्गेनाइज खीदा सत्याग्रह? The administration did not suspend the land revenue collection in spite of drought. ये था ना कि crops failed in Khada district of Gujarat, and according to the revenue code, if the yield is less than 1/4 of the normal produce, the farmers were entitled to remission. The Gujarat Sabha, consisting of peasant, requested, but it was suspended. They were approved for remission. Which of the following event associated with the use of passive resistance or civil disobedience by Gandhiji in South Africa? That is campaign against restriction on Indian migration, campaign against the poll tax and invalidation of Indian marriage, and setting up of Tolstoy farm. Indian marriages में poll tax of £3 was imposed on all ex-indented intenses. Marriages were invalidated because they were not according to Christian rites. Setting up of Tolstoy farm. The Tolstoy farm was founded in 1911. Besides being an experiment in education, it was to house the families of Satyagraha and to give them a way to sustain themselves. After returning from South Africa, Mahatma Gandhi launched the first successful satyagraha in Champaran. चंपारण में वो था ना, वो नॉर्थ इंडिको प्लांटर्स। द फर्स्ट आश्रम दैट वाज एस्टैब्लिश्ड बाय द महात्मा गांधी इन इंडिया वाज कोचरब आश्रम नियर अहमदाबाद। कोचरब आश्रम नियर अहमदाबाद। Which of the following were the causes behind the launch of non-cooperation movement? That is Khilafat wrong, Punjab wrongs of 1919, resentment with the Rowlatt Act. The Jallianwala Bagh atrocities by the General Dyer. Khilafat issue, that British imposed harsh treaty on the Turkish Sultan. The leaders of the Khilafat, Muhammad Ali and Shaukat Ali, they initiated a full-fledged non-cooperation movement. Jallianwala Massacre. Consider following statement about the non-cooperation movement. The movement urged the use of the khadi in Indian material as alternatives to those shipped from the Britain. ठीक है. देखो कलकत्ता के सेशन में क्या हुआ था. कांग्रेस अप्रूव्ड अ नॉन कोऑपरेशन प्रोग्राम टिल द पंजाब खिलाफत रॉन्ग आर रिमूव्ड एंड स्वराज इज एस्टैब्लिश्ड. दैट इज द बॉयकॉट of the government school and college, boycott of law court, panchayat, legislative council, boycott of foreign cloth, use of khadi instead. Everything was decided in Calcutta. फिर नागपुर सेशन में क्या हुआ था. द प्रोग्राम ऑफ द नॉन कोऑपरेशन वाज एंडोर्स. द नॉन कोऑपरेशन मूवमेंट लेड टू it led to growth of Hindu community and removal of the fear of British might from the minds of the people. Mahatma Gandhi announced the withdrawal of non-cooperation movement due to Chori Chora incident. Which of the following first act recognized the voting right of the women in India? Government of Indian Act 1919. The Bhagat Singh Azad and Rajguru shot dead Saunders. Udham Singh assassinated the India Office bureaucrat Curzon Wiley in 1909. Bhagat Singh Azad and Rajguru shot dead Saunders. देखो उधम सिंह जो थे ना वो सेकंड स्टेटमेंट गलत है. उधम सिंह assassinated Michael O'Dwyer, the lieutenant governor who presided over the brutal British suppression of the 1919 protest in Punjab. And Madan Lal Dhingra assassinated the Indian office bureaucrat Curzon Wiley. A manifesto titled Revolutionary that was produced as evidence in the Kakori conspiracy case of 1925 was written by Sachindranath Sanyal. Hindustan Socialist Republican Association was a revolutionary organization of Marxism and Socialism known as Hindustan Republic Association HRA. They published the manifesto जिसे कहते थे revolutionary. They were produced as evidence in the Kakori conspiracy case of 1925. Sachidhanand Sanyal wrote the manifesto. They said that there should be an overthrow of the British rule and the replacement of Federal Republic of the United States of India. Which of the following events were the major influences for the revolutionary activities during the 1920s in India? Russian Revolution and the success of the young Soviet state in consolidating itself. Upsurge of the working class trade unionism after the First World War. And the newly sprouting communist groups with their emphasis on Marxism and socialism. Upsurge of the working class trade unionism after the war. Russian Revolution 1917, success of the young Soviet state in consolidating itself. Newly sprouting communist group with their emphasis on Marxism, socialism and the proletariat. And novels and books like Bandi Jivan by Sachin Sanyal, Pathir Dabi by Sachrandana Chatterjee. Meerut conspiracy case during British rule is related to assassination of the Viceroy of India, Lord Hardinge. Which of the following is the oldest trade union federation in India? All India Trade Union Congress. Lala Lajpat Rai was the first president and Diwan Chaman was the general secretary. Diwan Chaman Lal. with a reference to Simon Commission recommendation, which of the following statement is correct? That is, it recommended the replacement of the diarchy with a responsible government in the provinces. An all-white 7-member Indian statutory commission known as Simon Commission, recommend that was to recommend whether India is ready for reforms, abolition of diarchy, establishment of representative government in the province that should be given autonomy, governor having discretionary power relation to internal security and admin powers, and members of provincial legislative council should be increased. Consider following statement regarding Swaraj and the no changes. The Swarajists advocated the entry into legislative council and intended to use the council used for gradual transformation of colonial rule. C. Rajagopalachari, Vallabh Patel Prasad were some of Swarajists. Entry into legislative council. While the other school thought led by Gopalachari, Patel Prasad Ansari came to be known as no changers. They opposed, advocated concentration on constructive work, continued boycott non-cooperation, and quiet preparation for resumption of the suspended civil disobedience program. Which of the following was associated with the Gaya session of the INC? C.R. Das and Motilal Nehru resigned from the presidentship and the secretaryship respectively of the Congress, and there was a formation of the Congress Khilafat Swarajya Party. C.R. Das as the president and Motilal Nehru as the secretary. Consider following a statement regarding achievement and work of Swarajists. They agitated through powerful speech on self-government, liberties, industrialization. Defeat of the public safety bill that was aimed at empowering the government to deport undesirable and subversive foreigners. They failed to support the peasant cause in Bengal and lost the support among the Muslim members who were pro-peasants. The first white paper on constitutional reforms for India was prepared and submitted for the consideration of the Joint Select Committee of the British Parliament on the recommendation of Simon Commission. ठीक है. And the recommendations of this committee were incorporated in the next Government of Indian Act of 1935. In the modern India,